Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to give you an information on the settings, that is the member weekly. The member week of setting can be done. You can click on the side menu, click on the settings and come up under the roles and member and roles and select members weekly off. This settings allows you the member to change their week offs. You can select the week off from here. You can select the days. That settings can be done globally. If you wish to change it for a specific user, you can change it against their names and you can click on the save button to have it saved. Thus, the reflection is going to give you in the next cycle which of the week and their respective week offs gets changed. This was all about the settings for the member week off. Thank you.